Children, today's topic is preposition, or you can say the position words. Can you see these four pictures? You can see a common ball. The question is, where is the ball? Okay, children, in the picture number 1, if you notice, you can see the ball is inside a box. And if you see picture number 2, the ball is on the table. Picture number 3, the ball is under the table. And picture number 4, the ball is near to the table. Children, how are we able to identify the position of the word? Where is the ball? By seeing the position where the ball lies, we were able to identify the ball is inside a box, the ball is on the table, the ball is under the table, and the ball is near the table. So these words, in, on, under, near, these are the prepositions. In this video, we are only going to talk about in, on, and under, near. Rest of the prepositions I'll make in another video. Now let us see. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is. As you saw, the ball, it was lying inside a box, then on the table, then under the table, then near the table. Like this, we can see the position of particular thing or a person, where it is. As I told you, in this video, we will be discussing on in, on, under, and near. So I'll talk about in first. Can you see 3 eggs, children? Where is it lying? It's inside the nest. The eggs are in the nest. Can you see the ball, children? Where is the ball lying? The ball is in the box. Can you see the apples? The apples are in the basket. So children, these were the 3 sentences in which I explained you the concept of in. Now let's move on to on. The clock is on the wall. Where is the clock? It's on the wall. The ball is on the table. Where is the ball? On the table. Here on is a preposition used to identify the position of the thing, that is the ball. The boy is sitting on the chair. Now we'll talk about under. The boy is sitting under the tree. Can you see the picture, children? The boy is sitting under the tree. Where is the ball in this picture? The ball is under the table. Where is the dog? The dog is sleeping under the table. Here, under is a preposition. It tells us where the dog is. Now we'll talk about near. The ball is near the table. The car is parked near the house. The pen is near the book. Here, near is the preposition. Now children, let's do some test your knowledge. These are the MCQs. Out of the 3 options given to you, You need to put a tick on the correct one and need to write it in the given space. Children, just look at this image. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the box. The options are under, in, on. The correct answer will be in. The ball is in the box. Very good. Now let's do the next one. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the table. Under, near, on. Yes, the right answer is on. The ball is on the table. Next one. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the table. Under, in, on. It's under. The ball is under the table. Next one. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the table. Under, near, on. Yes, the right answer is near. The ball is near the table.